guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this waveform template for your videos in CapCut PC. I'll just make it, actually I don't need to make it long because I'm just going to save it as an image. So I'm going to type in green screen here, and I'll just select like a green screen like so. Then I'm going to select mask, and I'm going to select rectangle, and I'm going to start creating some lines. You can make it as thin or as thick as you want, and I'm just going to round the edges as well. Copy and paste it and move it to the right side. Copy and paste it again. I'm just going to move that to the right. I'm just going to adjust the size. It doesn't have to be like exactly the same as mine. Just going to move this to the right side now. And then here I'm just going to make it smaller. And at the end I'll just make it a little bit smaller than that. If you're pleased with this like shape, with the shape that you've created, select these three lines, export still frame. Make sure you select import to project, press export. Let's delete everything and then go back to device here and add it like on top. Then you're going to add in like a video underneath that. For instance, this one. I'm also going to adjust the frame so it's longer, like the duration. Select remove background, select chroma key, select the green part of the photo, and you can adjust the intensity here a little bit. And yeah, that is it. You can then replace it with any videos that you would like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!